If you take a look at the left side of the phone, you should be able to find the SIM tray over here where we can insert our memory card. We also have this hole, this SIM tray hole, and we need to use an eject tool that you can find inside the box of Samsung Galaxy A17. Insert the eject tool into this hole and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. Once it pops out, you can slightly remove it to reveal the SD card slot. You don't have to remove the whole SIM tray in order to not lose the SIM card if you have one inside. Then we can take the memory card and we can try to insert it into this hole over here. Afterwards, make sure that the memory card is fully inserted and properly and that it doesn't stick out. Now we can just simply try to push it in. You can try to wiggle it a little bit if it doesn't want to go in, but make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything from the SIM tray, and you can push all the way in. There we go. Make sure that the SIM tray is fully inserted, that it doesn't stick out, and that's pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.